A big hairy deal. Read along quietly for a third time. Imagine trying to step on a spider that is larger than your foot. The Goliath tarantula can grow to over 11 inches wide. This giant hairy spider lives in the rainforests of South America. It bites with 1-inch fangs to paralyze its prey. It can take on prey as big as a mouse. The Goliath's powerful body and large fangs clearly help it survive. But this spider must also rely on another feature. The Goliath is covered with hairs. When threatened, it will sometimes kick hairs off its abdomen, sending a cloud of them at the intruder. Hairs that get into the intruder's eyes can damage its sight. The sharp, barbed hairs may also work their way into the intruder's skin. Chemicals in the hairs can kill smaller intruders. Even when the Goliath is very weak, its hairs still help it. Molting is a dangerous time for the spider. It must lie on its back for a long time. At first, its new body is so soft that an insect could hurt it just by bumping it. So before molting, the Goliath places hairs around its burrow. This barrier stops many animals from reaching the spider. The Goliath tarantula's size and fangs may be its most frightening features, but its hairs are its secret weapon. Stop the CD. Now practice reading the story.